Welcome to My Skills My Future. In this live session, we are going to discuss some of the questions of previous yearly asked questions in RRB Group D. So this question paper was asked in 2022 August 17th afternoon session paper. So already we discussed some of the questions in last previous live session. In this live session, we are going to discuss some more questions which were asked in that same slot. Okay, right. See the question here. Which of the following is divisible by both 4 and 8? Okay, so this is the question is asked from divisibility rules. So at least we must know the divisibility rules up to 20. Okay, so here we will discuss some of the divisibility rules up to 10. So what is the divisibility rule of 2 is the number the unit digit must be even or multiple of 2 or 0. So if a number ends with 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. So if a number ends with these digits, then that number is divisible by 2. So what about divisibility rule of 3? Sum of digits of a number is a multiple of 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Suppose we take 549. Is it divisible by 3? Yes, sum of digit of a number. So 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 9, 18. So 18 is a multiple of 3, then this number is also divisible by 3. So 4. Okay. So what is the divisibility rule of 4 means? If a number, the last 2 digits of a number is multiple of 4 or zeros. The last 2 digit of a number. Okay. Suppose the last 2 digit of a number is 24. Okay. So this number is divisible by 4. The last 2 digit of a number is a multiple of 4 or last 2 digits is 0. Then the number is divisible by 4. What about 5? The number ends with 0 or 5. The number ends with 0 or 5. Then that number is divisible by 5. What about divisibility rule of 6? The number divisible by both 2 and 3. The number divisible by both 2 and 3, then the number is divisible by 6. What about 7? Suppose I given one number 343. Is it divisible by 7? Yes. What is the divisibility rule means? Twice the last digit of a number subtract with the remaining number. If the resultant is a multiple of 7, then the number is divisible by 7. So here last digit is 6. We subtract here twice the last digit of a number and subtract from the remaining number. So remaining number is 34. So we get 28 is the result. If the resultant number is divisible by 7, then this number is also divisible by 7. So what about 8? Last 3 digits of a number is multiple of 8 or zeros. So what is the divisibility rule of 4? Last 2 digits is a multiple of 4 or zeros. What about 8? Last 3 digits. Okay. So 9 is sum of digits of a number is divisible by 9, then the number is also divisible by 9. Okay, right. So sum of digits, suppose here we take 9, 9, 9, 8, 1. So this number is divisible by 9. Yes, because sum of digits 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 8 plus 1. So 9 plus 9 18, 18 plus 9 27, 27 plus 8 35 plus 1 36. So sum of digits is 36. So 36 is divisible by 9. Yes, 9 ones are 9 fours are. So then this number is also divisible by 9. So we also divisibility rules, how to find is the number is divisible by some number. So if you want to see divisibility rules, we also uploaded the video, see in that video. Okay, right. See the question here, which of the following is divisible by both 4 and 8? If you see that, what is the divisibility rule of 4? Last 2 digits is multiple of 4 or zeros. What is the divisibility rule of 8? Last 3 digits is a multiple of 8 or last 3 digits is 0. If you see that first option, so this is a not this is the digit 82 is not divisible by 4 last 2 digits. So this option is not correct. If you see that this last 2 digits is divisible by 4, 24 is divisible by 4. Yes. So this number is divisible by 4. And what about divisibility rule of 8? So 824 is divisible by 8. Yes. 8 ones are 8 3s are 24, 8 ones are 8, 8 3s are 24. So this number is divisible by both 4 and 8. No need to check these options. Option 2 is correct. Okay, right. Next question. Right, see the question here. Refer the following number series and answer the question. This is the number series given. So what is the condition is given? How many such numbers are there in the series of which is immediately preceded by even number and also immediately followed by an even number? So in the series, if a number is followed by even number and immediately preceded by even number, then we can take that is one count. So how many such numbers are there? Suppose if you see that here 5 immediately doesn't followed by even number, so no. So and there is no preceding number is there. If you see here 1 immediately followed by even number, okay, but not preceded by even number, but not preceded by even number. 5 is a odd number. Suppose the number is like this, whatever the number. So x is the number, suppose. So here I have 2, here I have 8. So immediately followed by even number and also immediately preceded by even number. So I can take one count for this. Okay. So see here, for this no preceded by 2 but not followed by even number. Right. If you see that here s followed by even number, immediately preceded by even number. So here one number is there. Okay, like this. So no, not followed by even number, not followed by even number, not preceded by even number, not followed. Right, if you see here, right here one number is there. So immediately followed by even number, immediately preceded by even number. So 1, 2 numbers are there like this. So what is the condition given? Which is immediately preceded by even number and also immediately followed by even number. So here 3 is immediately followed by even number and immediately preceded by even number. Here 5 is immediately followed by even number and immediately preceded by even number. So option 4 is correct. Okay, 2 numbers are there. Right, next. See the question here. PQ, sorry, comments there. P, Q, R, S, T, U and V live on 7 different floors of the same building. Okay. So the lowermost floor in the building is numbered 1. The floor above it is numbered 2, and so on till the top floor is numbered 7. There are total 7 floors in the building. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total 7 floors are there. So 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, right. So first floor, second, third, fourth, 5, so on. Last floor is numbered as, topmost floor is numbered as 7. Q lives on the floor number 2. So directly given the information about Q. So Q lives on the floor number 2. R lives on the floor immediately above use floor. R lies immediately above the use floor. Where is use floor? So there is no information about use floor. Just write like this. So R lies immediately above the use floor. S is on the floor immediately below the V's floor. Where is the V? So no information. So S lies immediately below the V's floor. Here V's, and we can write here S. Right. Only 3 persons live between the floor of T and P. Only 3 persons. Okay. So 3 persons. So 1, 2, 3. Right. So only 3 persons between T and P. Suppose we take an as T, and here we can take an as P. And one more possibility is there. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and we can write like this. There are 2 possibilities. Only 3 persons. So only 3 persons live on between T and P. So these are the possibilities. So R lives on the topmost floor. Here they given the information about R. So R lies on the topmost floor. So according to this condition, we can write U is immediate below of R. Okay, right? And R lies only one person live between the only one person live between the floor of R and P. Okay, R and P, only one person. Here is R, and we can write here P. Okay, we can write P. Okay, right. So on which floor does P lives? They given directly, no need to substitute these values, but we can directly find the answer for the question. So this is 5th floor. So on which floor does P lives means P lives on 5th floor. Option 2 is correct. So we'll try to fill the remaining floors. So P and T, there are 3 persons. So P, 1, 2, 3. So we can write here T. Okay, right. S lies immediate below of V. So only one position is pending for S. This is like, and we can write V here. So this is the total allotment of P, Q, R, S, T, U and V. So what is the our question is, on which floor does P live? So P live on 5th floor. Option 2 is correct. I hope you will understood. Okay, right. Next question. Right, see the question. The product of the roots of 3x squared minus 13x plus 6 is equal to 0. The product of roots of this quadratic equation. So is there anybody? Can you give answer the question? Is there anybody? Yes. Right. Okay, okay, right. The product of roots of quartic equation is, we have the formula direct, the product of roots of quartic equation is C by A. So, here C is 6, A is 3. So, 6 by 3 nothing but 2. Okay. So, I think option 2 is right. Right. Shall we move to the next question? Right. Okay. So, the question is comes under time and work. Okay. Right. 5 men and 6 women can do a piece of work in 6 days. Right. 5 men, 6 women can do a piece of work in 6 days, while 3 men and 5 women can do the same work in 9 days. So, what is our question? In how many days can 3 men and 2 women do the same work? Okay. So, they given the information 5 men and 6 women can do a piece of work in 6 days. Okay. While the same work can be done by different men and different women in 9 days. So, this is the total work. Okay. So, this work can be done by 3 men and 5 women in 9 days. Okay. 5 men and 6 women can complete the work in 6 days. 3 men and 5 women can complete the work in 9 days. What is our question? Our question is 3 men and 2 women can complete the work in how many days? Okay. 3 men and 2 women can complete the work in how many days? So, first of all, we find the work efficiency of women and men. Then after, total time is equal to total work by time is equal to total work by work efficiency. So, time is equal to total work by work efficiency. So, total work is equal to, this is the total work and this is also total work. Total work is equal to, okay, work efficiency into time. So, this is the work efficiency. So, this is the work efficiency, this is the time. This is the work efficiency, this is the time. So, let us find the work efficiency of women and men. Okay, right. So, by using simplification, right. So, 3 2s are 3 3s are. Okay. So, 2 5s are 10 men plus 12 women is equal to 3 3s are 9 men, 3 5s are 15 women. Send 9 men to the left side, 12 men to the right side. So, 10 men minus 9 men is equal to 15 women minus 12 women. So, 10m minus 9m men is equal to 3 women. We need to find efficiency m by men by women is equal to 3 by 1. Okay. So, men is equal to 3, women is equal to 1. Okay, right. So, this is the respective ratio of efficiency of men 2 women. Okay, right. See, so this is the total work. Sorry, this is the efficiency, and we need to find total work. Substitute these values either from this or this. Okay, substitute these values either this or this. Okay, I will substitute these. 5 men plus 6 women can do the piece of work in 6 days. So total work will come. 5 into men is equal to 3. Men is equal to 3. So men is equal to women is equal to 1. So 5 men, 5 into 3 plus 6 into 1, okay, into 6. So 5 3s are 15 plus 6 into 6. So 15 plus 6, 21. So 21 into 6, 6 120, and 1 into 6, 6. So 126 is the total work. So 126 is the total work, and this is, we need to find work efficiency for 3 men plus 2 women. Okay, right. So time, we need to find time. Okay, total work is 126 by, so 3 men plus 2 women. So 126 by 3 men is equal to 3. So 3 3s are plus women is equal to 1. So 126 by 3 3s are 9 plus 2, 11. So 126 by, here is a fraction, here is mixed fraction is there. So we need to transform into mixed fraction. 11 square 121, 11 11 121. So 11 11 11 11 121, again 5 is there. So 11 5 by 11 days. So option 1 is correct. So this question, we can see the question, at least we can see one question from time and work. Okay, it is very, very important. Focus on time and work problems. Okay, right. Next question. I think, I hope you will get the concept also. Right. See the next question. See the question here. The question is on ages. Already we discussed some questions on ages in previous sessions also. Here one more question is there on ages. See the question here. 14 years ago, the age of father was 3 times the age of his son. 14 years ago. Okay. Now the father is, now means the present. Now the father age is twice as old as his son. Okay, right. What is the sum of the present ages of father and son? So they can maybe ask of chance of question like what is the difference between father's age and son's age? What is the ratio of father's age, son's age after some years? Okay, here they ask the question, what is the total age of father and son at present? So according to the information, so we can write the present age of father is twice of his son. So let son's age be x. Okay, at present I am taking present age of son. So what is the father age? Twice as old as his son. So then according to the question, the father's age will be, 2x. The father's age will be 2x. Okay. So respective ratio of father age and son's age present. Okay, at present. So 2x by x. According to the question, the present age of father is twice as old as his son. So I am taking x is the son's age, and then according to the question, the father age will be 2x. So 14 years ago, just minus 14. So minus 14 for both son and father. So what is the respective ratio when 14 years ago the age of father was thrice, means 3 times of the, this is the 3 times of the son's age, this is the ratio 14 years ago. So just this is the information given in the question. Okay, so 2x minus 14 is equal to 3 into x, 3x. I am sending this value to the right side and 1 to the left side. So 3x and minus 3 14s are 14 3s are 42. Right. Okay. See here. So 2x equal to 3x minus 42. Send this 2x to the right side and 42 to the left side. So 3x minus 2x, x. Okay. Right. So 42 minus 42 will get plus 42 minus 14. So x is equal to 42 minus 14. What is the answer? 28. Okay. 28. Okay, right. So x is what? X is the present age of sun. X is the present age of sun. Okay. So sun's present age. Sun's present age be x kada. Okay. So x is equal to 28. What about the present age of father? So present age of father's present age. Okay, father's present age be 2x. So 2 into 28, 28 into 2, 56. Okay, so this is the present age. What is the question? What is the sum of the present ages of father and son? So if we sum these values, we get the total age of father and son. So 8 plus 6, 14, 84. 84 is the sum of the present ages of father and son. So which option is there? Option 1. Right. So we can see at least one question in ages. Okay, right. Next question. Right. So the question is on percentages and profit and loss. Okay. So there are 4 topics. I always say that: number system, percentages, averages, ratios and proportions. We must good at these 4 topics very surely. Okay, right. So the percentage profit earned by James by selling an article for 1920. Okay, this is the selling price at some profit. The percentage profit earned by James by selling an article 1920 equals to the percentage loss suffered by the selling price. So this is the selling price at whatever the profit is percentage is there, same loss percentage. If suppose see here, suppose I am taking one example here. Suppose the cost here, I am considering the cost price is 100. Suppose the selling price is here 120. What is the profit percentage is 20%. Here profit percentage is 20%. So suppose I sell this article for 80. So what is the loss or profit? Loss. What is the loss percentage? 20. So see here, looks like same. The selling price of an article, I get some profit, same loss percentage. Here 20% profit, same 20% loss. Okay. So selling price is different. Okay, see the question. The percentage profit earned by James by selling an article for 1920 equal to the percentage loss. The percentage sales 120 is equal to the same percentage loss 2020. Okay, right. So what should be the selling price if you want to earn 10% profit? So 10% profit, what is the selling price? So if you want to calculate profit percentage, loss percentage, so we must know the cost price. So based on cost price, we will calculate profit percentage or loss percentage. Okay, right. Until they mention a specific information in the question. Okay, right. See here. Right. See. Selling price is 1920. Okay, and here selling price is 1500. So this is at profit percentage at profit, this is at loss. So what is meant by profit? Profit is selling price is more than its cost price. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Okay. So selling price, so first of all, let us take cost price be X. So let us take cost price be X. So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Profit percentage is equal to profit by cost price into 100%. Okay. Loss percentage is equal to loss by cost price into 100%. Okay. So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Profit percentage is equal to profit by cost price into 100%. Loss percentage is equal to loss by cost price into 100%. So according to the question, what is the percentage profit? Okay. So what is the profit? Selling price minus cost price by cost price X, you are taking cost price into 100%, which is equal to the loss percentage, means so cost price minus selling price by cost price into 100. So 100 cancel, x cancel. So 1920 minus x is equal to x minus 1500. So this is the actual information given in the question. Okay, right. So we need to find what is the selling price when 10% profit is there. Okay. So x is cost price. So 2x is equal to 1920 plus 1500. So 1920 plus 1500, 0, 2, 4. So 3420. So 2x is equal to 3420. X is equal to 2 ones are, okay, 2 sevens are, and 2 ones are 0. So x is equal to 1710. X is equal to cost price. X is nothing but we are taking as cost price. See here. X is equal to 1710. So what is our question? What should be the selling price if 10% profit is there? So we know the cost price. So cost price is 1710. So 10% means just take one decimal point after one digit. Okay, here. So just add, okay, cost price is equal to 1710. Just add this 171 to this value. Okay, so 10% profit. Okay, so 1881. Okay, so 1881, 1881 is the selling price at 10% profit on cost price. So option 4 is correct. Okay, are you getting? Yes. Next question. See the question here. Study the given diagram carefully and answer the question. The numbers in different section indicate the number of persons. So what we need to find? How many such accountants are there who are also bilinguals? They are given males, bilinguals, accountants. We need to find how many such accountants are who are belong to bilinguals. Okay, who are also bilinguals. So if you see here, right. So how many such accountants are there? So here males, bilinguals, accountants. So this is the region. This is the region who are accountants and bilinguals. So this is the region who are males and bilinguals. This is the region This is the region only bilinguals. This is the region only accountants. This is the region only males. Okay, right. So what is our question? So there are who are also bilinguals. Such accountants are there who are also bilinguals. So this is the region. Accountants who are also bilinguals. Okay. So 15 plus 24. So option 3 is there. Okay, right. Venn diagram question. Easy. Right. Next question. Right. See the question here. This question is regarding to the partnership. We can expect a partnership. So majority of the questions from partnership will ask by using ratios also. Okay. Right. See the question here. A, B and C started a business. Right. A, B and C started a business. They partnered for 6 months, 12 months and 14 months respectively. If their profit is in the ratio 5:4:7, they given the profit ratio. Okay. Then the ratio of their respective investments. So we need to find investment ratio. So investment ratio, so profit ratio is equal to, first of all we will discuss. So profit ratio is equal to, so investment into time, investment into time. Okay. So first person investment and time period, second person investment, time period. So on the first person, second person, third person's profit ratio. Here they given profit ratio, but we need to find what? Investment ratio. Okay. So investment ratio is equal to profit ratio by time ratio. Profit ratio by time ratio. So first of all, they given the profit ratio. What is the profit ratio? So profit ratio of A is to B is to C, given 5:4:7, and they given time also. So time investment ratio of A, B, C. So 6 months, 6:12:14. So whenever we are going with ratios, first of all convert them into list form. Okay, it is easy to calculate. Okay, so there is no possibility of conversion into list form. Here there is some possibility. 2 3s are 2 6s are 2 7s are. Okay, right. So see here, a value in investment, sorry. So profit ratio of A can be distributed as 5/3, B 4/6 can be 4/6, yes, 4/6. It is can be simply written as 2/3. Next, 7/7 written as 1. Okay, so we need to find, okay, sorry, this is investment ratio, sorry, investment ratio. So A is to B is to C investment ratios. So 5/3 is to 2/3 is to 1. Okay. So ratios must be not in fractions. Take LCM 3. So 5:2:3. So investment ratio of A is to B is to C is equal to 5:2:3. Okay. So which option is there? Option 1 is there. So 5:2:3. So I also given how to convert fractions in ratios. Okay. So if you want to see the topic wise videos, we are also uploading the topic wise videos also. See in our YouTube channel, My Skills, My Futures. Okay, right. See the next question. Right. See the question here. The question is from time and distance. Okay. Speed and time. Reaches a birthday party 20 minutes late. Okay. If she walks, okay, 20 minutes. I am writing. Okay. Okay, right. So in 3 kilometers per hour. In 3 kilometers per hour. Okay. Reena reaches a birthday party 20 minutes late if she walks 3 kilometers per hour. So here kilometer per hour, we must change the units. So while calculating the problem, same units must be there. So I am writing 20 minutes as 20 by 60. Okay, 20 by 60. Next, if she increases her speed to 4 kilometers per hour, 4 kilometers per hour, would reaches 30 minutes early. So 30 minutes. Just now I said the units must be same. So 30 minutes can be written as 30 by 60. 30 minutes. Okay, right. So what is our question? Then the distance between her house and the venue of the birthday party. If she walks from house to venue party at 3 kilometers per hour, they reaches 20 minutes late. 20 minutes can be written as 20 by 60. If she increases and she walks at 4 kilometers per hour, they reaches the party at 30 minutes early. Okay, so I can write 30 by 60. So what is the distance? So we have a simple formula. A distance is equal to speed, first speed into second speed by difference between two speeds, into delta t. So delta t means when they are different. So here at 1 they go late, at 1 they reaches early. If they are different, delta t means sum of time. If here is late and if here is also late, same is there. Whenever if she is increases the time speed, but he reaches late. So delta t means difference between two time period. Okay. So here one is late and one is early, means sum of time. Okay, right. So speed 1 is 3 kilometers per hour into speed 2 4 kilometers per hour by. So delta s means difference between two speeds. So 4 minus 3. Delta t means a sum of 2. So 20 by 60 plus 30 by 60. So 3 4s are 12 by 1 into denominator is same, numerator will be added, 20 plus 30 50. Okay. So 12 ones are 12 5s are 5 ones are 5 tens are. So distance is equal to 10 kilometers. Distance is equal to 10 kilometers. So what is the distance? Distance is equal to speed 1 into speed 2 by delta s, means difference between two speeds. Delta t, we have two values. When one is early and one is late, we can take the sum of the time. If same or if both are same, we take differences. So by using this simple formula, we find the distance. Okay, next question. See the question here. 6124.8 into 625.5 into 0.0043 is equal to. If you see the options, all are similar to this. Okay, they didn't given the value. So they asked which is equal to. So first of all, we see here after decimal point 1 digit, here 1 digit, here 4 digits. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So after decimal point, if you multiply, if you get answer after decimal point, we have 6. In these also we must have 6 digits after decimal point. So while counting here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here also we must have 6 digits. If you see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After decimal points we have 5 digits. Okay, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we have 6 and here also we have 6. So here see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we have 8. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So out of 4 options, this is the correct option. Okay, right. Next question. See the question here. This is question also looks like similar what we discussed in the previous session, and in this session also we discussed one problem like this. Okay, see the question. O, P, Q, R, S, T and U are 7 boxes. Okay, are kept one over the other, but not necessarily in the same order. Only one box is kept between R and P. Okay. So R and P, we have one boxes, but we have two possibilities. We have two possibilities. Only one box is kept between R and P. Next, only one box is kept between S and T. So this is one information, we have two possibilities, and here also one information, we have two possibilities. So between S and T, only one, S and T, S and T. Okay, right. Only one box is kept between P and Q. Here also one information is given, but we get two possibilities. Okay, so between P and Q, P and Q, P and Q, this is the possibilities we get. So they given one information here. Q is kept at the lowermost position, right? So we take some positions. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here they given one information. Q is kept at the lowermost position. So this is Q. So according to this information, we can write only one person is there between P and Q, right? So, and if we see here, another information is there, only one person is there between P and R. So there is no possibility of writing R here, only we have one chance of writing here R. Okay, right. Next, T is immediately above Q. Okay, T is immediately above Q. So only position is vacant for T is number 2. Next, right, if you see here, we have one information is there. So only one person is there between S and T. So here is T, we can write S is here. So what is our question? So we need to fill, but see what is our question. How many boxes are kept between S and Q? So here S is there, here Q is there. So how many boxes are there? 2 boxes are there, P and T. Option 3 is correct. Okay. So these are the some questions which were asked in RRB Group D in 2022, August 17th, second shift questions. So, in upcoming live sessions, we are going to discuss same model papers which are all, same previous questions on different sessions. If you want to see more videos of RRB Group D as well as SSC, subscribe to our YouTube channel and share our YouTube channel links. And if we are also providing as a programming live sessions, and also we are also uploading quantitative aptitude concept wide videos. So please share and subscribe our channel, My Skills My Future. So thank you for watching.